Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be like get ready with me kind of makeup tutorial kind of thing. Now I have had a lot of messages, everyone's asking me to do like, oh, I want to know what products you use and how you do makeup. So this is kind of what I filmed today, just showing you all the products that I use and just how I do my makeup. Obviously I'm no makeup artist, I'm not professional or anything like that. I just do my makeup how I like it, and I've always done it like this. Today's look is just kind of what I would go, like my go-to makeup at the moment, something that's quick and easy. I think this takes me about 20 minutes, if that, because being a mum and everything, I don't really get time to like do a proper full face anymore. Like this might look like a lot of makeup to someone, and you think, oh, I haven't got time to do that, but like I'm just so used to doing my makeup now, I can literally just do this in like quick time. And I haven't put much eyeshadow and stuff on my eyes. Normally if I'm going like, you know, taking a lot of time going full beat, then I will just go in on my eyes and just do loads of eyeshadow, and I'll wear like a wing liner and just concentrate more on contour. But this is just like quick, easy makeup, and like, yeah, my hair's a bit ratty today, I do apologise about that, but just like this is just me casual, like I'm just gonna go nip to the shops now, and this is just like my everyday look. Yeah, so I will just jump straight onto that now. Hi guys, so this is just my everyday makeup look. So the first thing I use is the ESPA Wonderbalm, Skin Rescue Wonderbalm. I just put this on my lips and on my eyelids just to help with dryness and stuff. It's really good for that kind of thing. I suffer with a lot of dryness on my eyes, and especially under my eyes and my lips. So the next thing I'm putting on is the ESPA Pro Serum Oil, the Optimal Skin Pro Serum Oil. I just like to put this on my skin before I do any moisturiser or anything like that, just to prep the skin and keep it nice and moist and everything. And so my skin's so dry, and if I don't do this, then my foundation just dries up and goes all flaky and yuck. So next step is moisturiser. I just use the ESPA 24-hour Replenishing Moisturiser. I use this every day pretty much, and I've used this for a good few years now. It's just my go-to. It's not focusing. There you go. This is just my go-to moisturiser. I've used this a long time, and I just love it. It's really good for my skin because I say it's really dry and I need to replenish and moisturise my skin. So after I've moisturised, I go straight into foundation. No, I've missed a step. I should be priming my skin and I haven't primed my skin. I don't know what happened there. Normally I prime my skin and I just forgot. Anyway, foundation. I use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, matte and poreless foundation. I just apply that with a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, and I just apply that all over my face. And I use quite a few dollops because it is quite, I wouldn't say it's full coverage, but I say it's like a medium coverage. So I just apply a few little few pumps, just to like a few layers. That's what I'm trying to say. I apply a few layers because I want quite a good full coverage kind of look today, because I look really tired and I've got bags and those need to be hid. So after I have applied my foundation, I go in then with concealer, and the concealer that I use is the Revlolution, Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, I think it's called, concealer. I've only just been recently using this and I love it. So now it is part of my everyday makeup look. I just put this under my eyes, and then I put a bit on my chin and a little bit on my forehead as well, just to kind of highlight and conceal those areas. And then I just blend that in with my beauty blender. my beauty blender is rank. it needs a wash. I'm just a bit of a scruff and haven't washed it for a very long time, which is also bad, guys. You should wash your beauty blender. So after I have blended all that in, I then go ahead and apply some more concealer to my lids, just to act as a base for like eyeshadow and things, and I just blend that in again with my beauty blender, and I always make sure that the beauty blender is damp when I'm blending it in. So after I have used concealer, I then set all that with the Airspun loose powder. I just set that with a brush. I normally use a beauty blender, but I seem to have lost my other one, and yeah, I just use it for foundation, and then I just put powder on with a brush, Real Techniques brush, and I just kind of bake under my eyes. I especially do this if I'm going like heavy eye makeup and I've got loads of fallout, then you can just brush it all the way at the end. So then the next step is I just buff it all out. The next step is brows, and I use the NYX Eyebrow Cake powder. I think it's not the darkest shade they do, but I think it's like the medium brown. I'll check that one for you and leave everything in the description box. But yeah, I just spoolie my eyebrows through, and then I apply it with the other end of the brush. This is just a NYX brush that I'm using, and I just do my eyebrows and I put that in, and I just apply that to my eyebrows. I've always used this powder. I've still got loads left, and I've probably bought this a good while ago now, and I use it every day, so it does last a long time, which is really good. Sometimes I use a pencil in my brows, but I'm just really loving using a powder in my brows at the moment, and that's what I've been going back and forth to every day, so that's what I use. I use a powder. I do like to have my eyebrows quite dark. That's just how I like my eyebrows. Some people might think I'm doing it wrong, what I'm doing is wrong, but this is just how I do my makeup and I like it. So next step, I just go in with the Chocolate Bites palette from I Love Makeup, and this shade is just like I just use this as a transition shade. Just put that on my eyes. I'm applying this with a fluffy NYX brush. I really like this palette. It's another recent favourite of mine. I've only just been using it recently, and I just pick this up every day and I just use it because the colours that I'm using in this look I just use every day because they're just nice simple colours and I really like them. So I just go in next with the Creme shade. Yes, I use the same brush because I just like to use the same brush, which, you know, you shouldn't really do, and you should always clean your brush, but hey, I'm a bit of a scruff like that. But yeah, so I just go in with the Creme shade, just applying that in the crease, blending it in. And as I say, guys, I'm no makeup artist, so this might not look the best, but I just do what I think looks good. And then I just blend that out with a Sigma blending brush that I've had for ages now. I don't really know what the number is, but I'll find out for you. And then I just brush away my powder after I've done that, after I've done my eyes. Brush away any fallout. And then next step, I just put a bit of mascara on. This is the SmashBox Full Exposure Mascara. Just apply a bit of that to my eyelashes. I have no eyelashes whatsoever, so really, whatever mascara I use, it doesn't make no difference to me. They just look short and stumpy, and they always have. I don't think I've ever found a mascara that makes them pop out. So that's why normally, not every day, but when I'm going out, I do wear false eyelashes. But I don't have time for that every day, or money to buy false eyelashes. It's just so much easier to just put mascara on. But as you see, you can see there's not much difference. And then this is just a sleek contour palette, which is very battered and used, as you can see. I don't really know what shade it is. I think it's the fairish shade that I've bought, but I've had this for years, and I just use this all the time. I'm just using this to contour. I just apply that to my cheekbones, under my chin, and then to the temples of my head, of my forehead. And then the brush I'm using is a ZOEVA face brush. I can't remember the name. It might look really bad at the moment, but I'm just going to blend all that in with a Real Techniques blending brush. Face brush. I'm just going to blend all that out so it's not looking too harsh. So then after I've contoured, I just make my face look a bit warmer, so I go in with the Hoola Benefit bronzer, which is my favourite, and I love this. And as I say, this isn't another go-to of mine. I use this every day. I applied way too much there, but don't worry about that. I can blend. I'll just blend right out. The trick is to apply a little and often, but it looks like I've applied way too much today. But sometimes I like a lot of bronzer on my face. But you can just blend that out so it's not looking too much, too full on. Yeah, I'll just buff that out a little bit because I don't want to look too brown, too cakey or muddy. In the next step, I highlight. So I just use, I think that's just a blush brush that I've had for years. It's by, I don't even know who it's by anymore. It's just a blush brush, and then the highlight that I use is the I've actually forgotten what highlight it is. I will leave everything I'll leave all the products that I've used in the description box down below, but I think it's the Balm, Mary Lou, the Balm highlighter. I think that's what it's called. And then after I've highlight, I just zhuzh my face with the brush and blend everything in. Just give it a little bit of a brush around, and then I go in with a bit of a blush. This is from the Revlolution Highlight and Contour Palette, Makeup Revolution. And then I just, again, buff that out with my buffing brush. Then lipstick I'm wearing is NYX. This is a matte lipstick. It's not focusing, but it's the shade, I think it's called Spirit. And I just apply that to all my lips. There we go. I normally use a lip liner, but I don't know where my lip liner is. I seem to have lost it, and so I just applied my lipstick anyway instead. So I just apply that, and then I put a gloss on over the top, which is again NYX, and it's the Butter Gloss. This is in the shade Creme, but it won't focus. I tried for ages, but I just couldn't get it to focus, but it's the shade Creme. And I just apply this to my lips. So yeah, that's my makeup look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I just wear this every day, and it's just very quick and easy for me. It doesn't take me that long. Yeah, it doesn't take me that long, and that is my makeup look. I'll just give you a closer look. Yeah, just give you a closer look. That's how I do my makeup. Just subtle everyday makeup, simple, and it doesn't take me that long. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will leave everything, all the products I've used, in the description box, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!